Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a Bicester haul video, and I never, to be honest, I never really used to shop that much in Bicester. When I used to go, I used to get a piece or two or three, like max. I always go and get a few pieces, but recently I thought, you know what, I want to do a splurge because this year I want to only have a few key pieces. Okay, when I say only a few, I mean like instead of having 3 wardrobes, I want to stick to 1 wardrobe and just wear that the whole, like I literally want 3 coats this winter and that's it, and then just style it with lots of like different pieces. But I want everything to be like one color palette kind of thing, not one, but kind of like just have 4 different colors, so like the nudes and the camels all in one, then the blacks, the whites, and then I will have like a few pieces that are kind of like a pop of color but not really. I don't want to do that. I kind of want to just stay with the nudes, and I'm going to see, because I've never done that, so that's a challenge I set for myself, and I wanted something different because as much as I love my quirky stuff, I thought let's give myself a challenge and make it a little bit more fun. Anyway, so I got some pieces from Bicester and I wanted to show you guys what I got. And because I got quite a few stuff, I thought I could do a haul. The first thing I got is DKNY. To be honest, like, you can't go Bicester and not buy anything from DKNY. Well, I can't anyway. And I went with Rima. We had so much fun getting stuff. And honestly, what I love about the DKNY store is you get these bags and you can actually reuse them. And I love them because I always end up putting Nabiilabee's stuff in here. And it's just like, it just looks good, doesn't it? Not gonna lie. And then, oh, the sun. It's ruining my lighting. I hope the lighting's okay. Anyway, so I got a pair of DKNY shoes. Are these my first? These are my first DKNY shoes, and I am really excited about these because I wanted a pair like this like for about 2 months now, and I can't find them anywhere that I really like this kind of heel and everything. And it's actually these, and I just love them so much, and I feel like these are gonna be my everyday boots. They're just so comfortable, and I really wanted I hate boots that are just like smooth at the bottom, because if it snows or if it's wet, because I've got Nabiilabee now, I don't really want to have like uncomfortable shoes that I can slip in. So I wanted something that has a good grip, and this is what they look like. And honestly, they're just so comfortable, and they've got the logos there, and they've got them inside as well. Like, can you see them? Yeah, there. So it's there as well. Anyway, it's just, I honestly got this just because it was comfortable, and I've got a bunch of DKNY bags, and honestly the quality is amazing. So I thought, you know what, hopefully so are the shoes. I got them in a 5 and they fit, like, they just fit amazing. They're so nice. Let me show you both of them. Like, I've not opened anything because I was waiting to do this haul. And anyway, yeah, like I kind of miss doing hauls. I've not done one in a while. This is what they both look like, and I love that they're not full black and they've got like the white there. They're gonna get super dirty because they're gonna be my everyday shoes, but it's cool. Hopefully I can just throw them in the washing machine at some point as well. Anyway, love these. These were £90, and I feel like for oh, and they have zips on the side. That's one of the reasons why I got them, because lace ups with a baby, you don't really have time. This is so easy on and off. I got Nabiilabee something. So I personally don't really like Ralph Lauren. Honestly, I feel like Gap has better quality clothes, and I'm all about quality rather than like brands and stuff. And if I do buy any designer stuff, it's always for the quality. But me and Rima wanted to match, and we've been wanting to match like our 2 little babies together for a while, and then we saw this cardigan and it's super cute, and we thought, you know what, let's get them this, because Nabiilabee also doesn't have anything like this. This was from the boys section, and this was £24.99. Originally it's £65, but I just thought this would be great, and I got it for 2 years because I do love how to wear oversized stuff. Also, it means like if she wears anything thicker underneath, it still fit her, and it just looks like this. It is really nice, but once again, I feel like Gap just has better quality, and this is a little bit thin for winter as well. And then I had to pick this up because when I saw this, I just really liked it. I've been looking for a t-shirt, not a t-shirt, a shirt, something like this for Nazmia, and the reason why I got this was actually for the quality. The quality of this is just so nice, and this was also $24.99, and I also got this for 2 years. They didn't have one, they didn't have 18 months, and I thought, you know what though, I'll get her 2 years and she can just like, I'll either put her in this when she's like 18 months, or she can probably wear it in spring. So this was why we went to Bicester in the first place. Me and Rima wanted to get, we wanted a scarf. So I really want a scarf that I can just throw on any outfit that looks nice and is also going to last me a long time, but I can also wear it as a hijab. And we basically, she just got a different shade to me, but we both got these. Yeah, okay, yeah. So this was £150, and I thought for a scarf it was for a designer scarf, I can't speak. Yeah, so it's £150, and for a designer scarf I thought that was really good, and I got this. And honestly, I didn't like any of the other scarves that they had. This is what the scarf looks like. It's so lush, like the scarf, check it out, it's so nice. I love this, the fringe on the scarf, it's so nice. And I just feel like this is gonna match all my outfits. Also, the coat that I got, like the light coat that I got for winter, this will look so good with it, and it just goes with all my nude outfits, and it's so nice. And it's thick for winter, but at the same time I can easily wear this as a hijab, and I really hope it doesn't bubble because I do want to wear this all the time. Then we went to Michael Kors, and I was supposed to get a bunch of stuff for myself. There were a pair of shoes that I really liked. It's kind of weird because I've got quite a few. I've got one, is it one? I've got two, but I don't use the other one. But there's one Michael Kors bag, my black one, that you've probably seen all over my Instagram. Honestly, I've had it for 3 years and I absolutely love it because the quality is amazing. I've had it for 3 years, it still looks brand new. There isn't even one scratch on it, honestly, and I love stuff like that. So I was gonna get shoes, but they didn't have my size. I was so gutted because it would have gone with my whole theme or my whole new look that I'm going for. It's not very new. I mean, I used to wear nudes, it's just that I don't want to wear too much bright colors anymore. And anyway, oh, and then I was supposed to get a purse and I completely forgot. So I got this as a gift, and the person I'm showing it to you guys because the person I'm getting it for probably, one, actually she probably will watch this, I don't want to give it away, and two, like she won't know that it's for her. So I got her this bag, which, oh, I don't even want to open it because it's wrapped up. You know what, I should have asked them to gift wrap it. I completely forgot. I don't know whether I should open it maybe, and then, no, I don't want to open it, but it's this super gorgeous nude color, and honestly I wanted to get the same one for myself, but then I thought, I don't know if I'm going to regret it because it's such a nice size. Maybe I should have got it now that I'm thinking about it. This would go with all my outfits. Kind of don't want to give this away now. No, but I will because it was a gift, and when I like have an intention to buy a gift, I can never keep it ever. I always end up giving it, but it's just such a pretty bag, and it's like a half moon shape. I don't know what you call it, but like it's rounded at the top, as you can see, like this, and it's just so pretty, and it has a strap, and it's got a little pocket at the front. It's such a gorgeous bag, and oh, Rima, we need to go and get this bag because I actually really want it now. I'm a bit gutted now. Anyway, and then the last few bits that I got was from Rituals. I am a huge Rituals fan. Like, if you come to my house, I've got so many Rituals pieces around, like dotted around the house, and I have their hand cream. I love their hand cream. Like, I just really love their stuff, and like they don't really, I've never seen them have a sale. And then when I saw this there, I thought, cool. And then I thought, oh, they'll probably just have like crappy bits that like nobody wants to buy. But literally they had everything that they have in store, and there was like a 30% discount, and I feel like there was more than 30% discount as well, because some of the stuff was so cheap. And I got a few things, but now I kind of regret it and I wish I got more. So for the last thing I picked up, I thought, let me just try it. And it's this smooth color gloss, looks like this, and it's basically a lip balm, but it's like a lip gloss more like, but it also feels really nice on your lips. Like, it doesn't dry your lips out or anything, and there is a slight tint to it. It says pale pink, but it's more of a nude pink, which I really like, and I've been using this, and I love this on like no makeup days, because I feel like sometimes like you can't wear anything when you've got no makeup on, but something like this is nice. Picked up, oh, I love these. So their hand creams are my favorite hand creams from every single brand I've tried, and I've tried so many brands over the past few years, and I just am in love with these. And I thought, instead of getting one, I kind of want to try out different scents. Also, I get really bored of scents quite quickly, especially if it's a hand cream. So I thought, let me try a few, and also then I can decide on what's my favorite. Then I brought so I got the Rituals of Sakura, and this is a blossoming hand wash. And I literally got this because this retails at like £10, and it was £6, and I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna get it because it's so pretty and it just smells amazing. And honestly, I've always wanted a hand wash from them, so I thought, why not treat myself. And then I got this, like, Rima convinced me, well, she really loves, this is the it's the Rituals of Sakura, so that's the same like theme smell as the hand balm, and I mean the hand wash. And this is basically the organic rice milk and cherry blossom body scrub. Like, she uses the body cream and she goes, it's amazing. And I really wanted to try the scrub because I need a scrub, really need a scrub, like especially with winter and stuff. My skin gets so dry, and I just thought, you know, I'm gonna get into these scrubs because I've never really been into them that much. Oh, it smells so nice. So it was £15 and it was £10 at the in store. And then I got two last things. I got this, which basically in my main bathroom I have this, which is the Rituals of Dao, I think that's how you pronounce it. And basically it's like incense sticks, which you just put the sticks in there and it gives a smell. Honestly, they say this lasts 3 months, but I've had mine for 4 months in the bathroom and it still smells, and it still smells amazing. And then if you just turn the sticks over, sometimes the smell just gets even more intense and it just smells so amazing. The last thing I got, which I don't have it's downstairs in my hallway. I bought the small version of this and it's the orange one, and it's like orange blossom and something else. It smells incredible and it's making my hallway smell nice. You know when you go shopping and you feel like you bought so much, and then I had to carry this and it was all so heavy. I'm not used to carrying stuff because I've had a pram for like over a year now, and you feel like it's so much, but when you sit down and start unpacking everything and putting things away, you're like, what did I even get? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know if you did. Let me know if you want to see more hauls like this. And like, my front room is ready now, so I can start filming there. I'm super excited. There's just a few things left that I need to do, but otherwise it is pretty much done. And yeah, so that's it. And if you want to know how I did this turban style, I will do a tutorial on it. I do need to start doing tutorials on my turbans again, because I've been coming up with so many new styles and I need to do them, because I'm gonna completely forget if I don't do a tutorial on it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it's been really nice just coming back and filming again and creating content. Like, I know this wasn't extremely creative, however, I love, like, I've been obsessed, especially when there's a change of season, I've been obsessed with watching hauls, because I want to know what's out there, especially having a baby and being at home quite a lot. Like, you don't know what's out there, so I love watching other people's hauls and then being like, okay, that's there, I know where I need to go. I don't really just have time to just go anywhere and just explore. I have to go and get something that I already have in mind, and even then it takes me weeks to plan and go there. But yeah, that's it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.